Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we will show you how to reset the engine oil wipe on Focus MK3 Ford Focus 3rd generation. That should cover the years, guys, from 2012 all the way until recent 2016. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. It takes only less than a minute to do it. Pretty simple, and you have that annoying message out of your way. So what you need to do, guys, you first need to insert the key. Okay, make sure the key is in all the way like that. Turn it to the second position, and when you turn it, okay, that's 1, 2, that's second position. And now you need to hold the brake and the gas pedal down at the same time. Hold them and don't let go. And now you will see service oil reset in progress. So as you can see, it's working now, and you need to keep holding the gas and the brake pedal, accelerator and brake pedal. If you let one go, you're in trouble. Okay, unfortunately we have a washer fluid level low message here. We will let that one go. Okay, and after that, okay, service oil reset complete. So that's the whole procedure, guys. So now if you go ahead and start the vehicle, okay, let me show you, it will be gone. We will not have that annoying message. Okay, you can see the only thing that we'll have is low washer fluid, but we will take care of that one in a little bit. Okay, and if we actually go to information, okay, let's go, and you can see washer fluid level low. That's the only thing that we have going on now, and we don't have anything else going that tells us we need to change the oil. So that's how you guys reset the oil wipe on a Ford Focus MK3. Hopefully the video was... So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.